Greetings, fellow artists and digital dreamers. Welcome back to my another AI video, the creative haven where art meets innovation. Today, we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of AI art generation. You may have heard of the popular Midjourney, renowned for its transformative abilities. But what if we told you there's an equally powerful alternative that won't cost you a single cent? Buckle up, because we're about to unveil a creative gem that's bound to leave you awe-inspired. But wait, before we dive headfirst into this digital adventure, do us a favor, smash that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. You won't want to miss a single update from us. Now, let's dive into the enchanting world of artistry and technology. First, go to the Google and search by typing Blue Willow. Click on the first link. After coming here, click on Try Now for Free button. Now enter your name here and your Gmail. Then click on the Next button. Here you will be asked to join Blue Willow Discord account. You click on Accept Invite. If you don't know how to create a Discord account, please search on YouTube. You will find many videos about it. Once here, scroll down and click on anyone from here. Now enter your prompt here. I am using ChatGPT to write prompts. You must add the APRM extension to your browser for best results. Now type Midjourney prompt and search. Several prompt generators will show in front of you. Select one of your choice. Suppose I type a beautiful girl of 20 years. And click Enter. Then copy it. And go back Blue Willow. Type /imagine and paste it here. Now click Enter. Click on the image when you are done creating your image. Then click Open in browser. And click the right button of your mouse. And save image. So, there you have it, a dazzling alternative to Midjourney that won't break the bank. Remember, Blue Willow empowers you with a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to unleash your imagination without spending a dime. But hold on, we're not done yet. Before we conclude, do us a favor, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your artistic comrades, and drop a comment below sharing your adventures with AI art generators. Have you ventured into the realm of Blue Willow or other remarkable free tools you'd like to share? We're all ears.